Hey guys, it's Curtis again. Back with another non-turbo cube video. Took this a few weeks ago after I installed a Detroit axle and the new rear end that I put in. Unfortunately, when I did that, I didn't really plan on making a YouTube channel, so I have no videos of that. I do have some photos though. I might string together a video here or there. Also, this video I am making for a guy on the internet who's changing glow plugs. Just really shows them from underneath if the manifold's out. Didn't really plan on doing a voiceover for the whole video, but the audio got kind of messed up on the video. Wasn't sure I was going to fit through there. Anyway, here are the new oil cooler lines from Leroy Diesel. They're 10AN stainless braided lines. The old ones are kind of a known issue. After 30 some years, they get dry rotted and crack and blow out, and then all your oil blows all over the highway and you blow up your motor. I do have gauges installed, but you never know if you're going to check it quick enough. Those are the old fittings. Those screw into the block there. The old lines screw to those. I think that side was a flare end. Like I said, they're 10AN now. The AN fittings require no tape. The fittings into the block do. You can see the thread tape on there. I can't believe the condition of the old lines that I had. I wish I had pictures of them to show you guys. They were so cracked and dry rotted from age that I don't know how they held up to the almost 100 pounds of oil pressure this thing puts out on cold mornings. Here's the front where I mounted the new one. The core support was there, so there would have been no flow in the back. So I screwed it in with some actual self-tapper screws. I'm probably going to isolate them with some rubber. That's the piece that I cut out of the core support to get some airflow behind it. Then the fittings that it came with, since this kit was actually for a truck, were 45 degree. I needed 90 degree. So I went to the local hydraulic shop and bought some 90 degree fittings. And there's the finished installed pick. Hope you liked. Thanks.